So, hi dear Leo, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Leo, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general; it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 23rd till the 29th of September, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you are dealing with along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story. You can just skip the video, okay? If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very long time now, okay? And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Okay, let's see, honey, what we have. Leo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what's happening. We have the Four of Wands. Okay, someone is kind of daydreaming about having some kind of long-term partnership, commitment, and or marriage kind of deal with you. Yeah, and this is according to them now. This is the right thing to do. Now this person is feeling like setting things right with you in some way. In their mind space, it's all about balance and justice. Let me clarify the Four of Wands as their feelings for you. We have the Seven of Cups, the Seven of Wands, the Three of Pentacles. Okay, there's no more confusion, there's no other option. They feel like coming towards you for, this is someone who feels like collaborating with you and coming together with you and creating something beautiful with you, creating something long term stable and something beautiful with you. It's like something like a marriage, like a commitment. So someone feels like they don't want to see deal with other options, even if they were dealing with it like till yesterday. Now they are feeling like all the options are gone. Leo is the one for me. So this is somebody who is feeling like you are the one for them, right? So your guards are up, your guards are kind of very high. So you are not letting somebody like come into your life just like that, but this is someone who is pretty sure, pretty clear in their energies that you are the one for them, daydreaming about having some kind of, again, commitment or long-term partnership and or marriage with you. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Four of Cups, you're not that happy about it, or you're not that much interested in something that's around you right now. You're kind of stuck on something specific or someone specific. Okay, for some of you it could be like you have certain kind of person in your mind that you want to be with. For others of you it could be a particular person that you're stuck on. You're kind of not able to connect with anybody because you're still stuck on that person or that energy. Kind of upset. Yeah, you're using your mind over your heart because, again, because of the disappointment and because of your past experiences, even if you're trying your best to balance out things with other people, other energies, you're not getting what you want. So you're quite upset in your love life right now at this present moment. So you might be like you might be talking to multiple people, multiple energies, and you might be in this energy of getting some kind of good energies from people, from some people, some energies, but at the same time you're not quite happy about it. It's kind of trying to be happy but not being able to be happy. So you're thinking a lot like what exactly you want in your love and relationship area. So that is why you're kind of keeping yourself at a distance from people or situations who are kind of interested in you, but you are not. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Leo? There's somebody who's daydreaming about having a future with you. Now this is somebody who wants to know more about you. This is somebody who wants to stalk you, like they want to know each and everything about you, slowly but surely. It's like, I want to know each and everything about Leo. It's somebody super interested in you, and you doesn't seem to be liking them that much. Now the roles can be reversed as well. Please keep that in mind. It could be you very interested in someone, but that someone is not interested in you as of now. Let's see the Page of Swords. Let's clarify. We have the Two of Cups and the Page of Swords and the Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, this person wants to get to know about you, each and everything about you, and they want to put in the effort and energy in this direction as much as they can from their side to make things work out. So this person definitely wants a beautiful connection between you and them, and they want to make things work out from their side, putting the effort and energy from their side as much as they can, because I am telling you, this person is stuck on you. Stuck on you. And they're in this energy of waiting for the time when you guys are going to be working on this situation as a team. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? Justice. You just want to keep yourself in your senses. According to you, you can't just fall in love with anybody right now. You just have to be love should make sense to you. Then only you are going to go to the next level or to the next chapter. Okay, okay. Most of the time, love and feelings doesn't make any sense actually. But okay, let me clarify the justice. We have the Fool, the Knight of Wands, the Hermit. Yeah, you just want to keep yourself in your senses. It's like you just don't want to be in a relationship just for the sake of relationship. You want to use your wisdom, your experiences, your lessons, and your blessings, everything, in order to go to the next chapter of your life in your love and relationship area. You don't want to fall in love with a player again, or with somebody who's on and off, in and out, or you just want to fall for attraction or infatuation again. This is the kind of energy I'm picking for you right now. Okay, so it's like maybe you don't know what you want, but you know exactly what you don't want, and that is a very, very, very big deal actually, Leo. Very good. Okay, let's see what's coming towards you till the 29th of September, Leo. We have the Ace of Pentacles. I do see somebody coming towards you with some kind of solid deal on the table, solid offer on the table. For some of you, it's a work-related offer, but that work-related offer also have potential of something romantic as well. Let me clarify the Ace of Pentacles. We have the King of Wands, the Three of Wands, and the Sun card. This is the kind of offer that you are waiting for from quite a long time. This is an offer that's going to make you very, very happy. Very happy. It's like even the thought of having this kind of offer on the table is going to make you very happy. And when it's actually coming towards you, you are going to lose your mind, lose your shit. You're going to be like, damn, this is something that I was waiting for from quite a long time now. And when it's here, I'm the happiest person on the planet Earth. So some kind of offer is coming towards you that's going to make you feel very, very happy about it, because even if you're going to say no to it, I don't know, I really don't have any idea if you're going to take it or say no to it, but it is something that you're waiting for and hoping for from quite a long time, and it might be something that's going to make you very, very happy, and you're going to feel like finally it's here. So finally, the kind of offer you are looking forward to have in your love and relationship area is here. It could be possible it's from someone specific that you are holding on to or waiting for, or that kind of person that you want in your life is entering in your life very, very soon, and it's going to make you feel on cloud nine. A wish fulfillment in your love and relationship area is on the way for you guys, Leo. Enjoy this. Very, very, very good, very beautiful. Because I'm telling you, know what you don't want, so the universe is kind of sending you what you're exactly looking forward to have, and it's going to make you freaking happy. Very good, very good. Now the guidance: the Hermit, the Knight of Swords, the Devil. Okay, whatever lessons you got from your previous relationships, do not forget that. Completely fine, but don't try to run away from your feelings. If you're feeling something for something for someone, and you're continuously judging them for small things, and you're continuously making them, oh no, they're a red flag, they're this, they're that, they are going to hurt me, and they are going to give me the same kind of lesson that I got. I don't want to repeat the same chapter again, this that. So you might be making stories in your mind that might not be true, or they're never going to be true for some of you. But it's like it's your it's your energy of trying to protect yourself from being hurt again that is blocking you from feeling the kind of happiness that you are about to feel. So it's basically because of your past experiences. Don't ruin something that's good for you, that's making you feel good from inside, making you feel alive again. Please don't numb yourself from the previous experiences, or because of the previous experiences you are going to ruin a very beautiful thing that's coming your way. A very, very beautiful chapter is about to start in your love life again. You have the tendency to ruin it with your trying to be too protective for yourself, trying to just not to get hurt again, yeah, a kind of energy, and trying to be in this energy of trying to find all the negatives in a particular person or energy, so that you can get an excuse to leave them before they can do something shitty with you. This is I understand that this is the trauma, this is the experiences, and this is the lessons talking to you. But until unless you are going to be open to other people, other energies with all of your heart and soul, you will never be able to understand, you will never be able to get what is exactly meant for you, whether it's a blessing or lesson or whatever it is. You can't escape these things. These things are meant for us to make us grow as a soul. So every time we get messed up, we meet with a messed up energy. It's our job to not to get messed up with that messed up energy. It's our job to be more open, be more in happiness, be more in this energy of bring it on, whether it's happiness or something else. We have to be the same energy, we don't have to fluctuate like that. Anyway, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.